Okay, guys, so back again with part 2 of this video, guys, of this jail audio. It's a little mini jail audio. It's a small amplifier, but guess it pack a lot of punch, guys. Jail audio, they're known for their stuff. And this is a XD600/1. Yeah, and this is a mono black amplifier, guys. So it come to me, guys, with the problem that it wasn't no audio from it, and this little light right here was flashing. The pole light was flashing. So just let you guys know. The problem with this was the driver MOSFETs, and the driver MOSFET is the let me give you the part number for the driver MOSFET, guys. These are these were the 2101, I think. Yeah, well, let me check and see. Yeah, these were the 2101. Let me make sure I get the number correct here. I forgot the letter in front of it, guys. But yeah, 21, guys. 2101. Yeah, 2101. I forgot the number, the letter in front of it. Oh, could I forget that? Oh my word. 2101. Let me see. Hold on, guys. Let me take a minute here, see if I can scratch off something here. See if this one I've done a letter. I can give you the letter instead of just the number. Sometimes they don't have it, but But let's see. Yeah, 2101. It said 2101. Yeah. So yeah, these are the drivers. So 2101, guys. Yeah, that's the one that was bad in this one. So as you guys can see, I have it hooked up, guys, because I tested earlier. But the only thing, this light didn't come on this time. It didn't turn on for some strange reason. I don't know if it's because it's out of the chassis. That could be the case, or maybe this blow out or somehow, because I was trying to pour it up before without the. I don't know if that do any damage to it, but that would be weird. But I think maybe it's because out of the chassis, because that's why that happened. But definitely, guys, what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove this diode here because I get 5 volts going through it. There's no reason why it shouldn't, be working. So yeah, definitely something is wrong with this right here. This, light emitting diode. So I'm gonna put a blue light or a green, whichever one there right now, just so they can figure, you can know if it's on or not. Yeah, definitely. But yeah, and this is a surface mode one here, guys. This one sits really flat on the circuit. But yeah, guys, just to let you know that it's working, cause it was only 2 of these 2101 in the power supplies. I mean the output stage, guys, right here. They were both bad. And this one, the output driver MOSFET, guys, is the FB4410Z. That's FB4410Z. This guy, FB4410Z. That's the output MOSFET for this one, guys. And the power supply MOSFET here, guys, is the 3205 for the power supply MOSFET, 3205. So just let you know, wanna let you guys see what's going on here. I wanna let you guys see definitely what's going on here. So let you guys see that it's really working. I'm not gonna play in audio. I'm gonna just put my thumb on the here. We can get some audio from it. So copyright is beating, but I hate to even look up on YouTube for beats. So and I see this is a mono black amplifier, guys, and this is the volume key right here. So let me turn it down and pour it on. Nothing else yet. This thing didn't light up. But there's a light inside the circuit, It's like a green light. Alright, guys, so let me show you what's going on here now. So that you guys can see that it's working, You like that? See that? guys can hear that. Even the deaf can hear that. All right. Yep, guys. So that's another successful repair of this jail audio, guys. XD600/1. Yes, guys. So yeah, it's up and running. Up and running, guys. Up and running. So yeah, that's it, guys. So yep. So it was just those 2101, guys. 2101. Let me make sure I said it right, guys. 2101. I don't want to miss anybody here, guys. So these are the, yeah, 2101 driver MOSFET, guys. Yeah, I see driver MOSFET. So here now I'm gonna tackle this right here now, guys, because that's kind of yeah, yeah. All right, so I'm gonna have to put some thing right here, definitely, guys, and see what's going on. All right, guys, give me a minute, guys. I'm gonna take this one out and definitely put something there that's lit up as soon as I put signal to it. I don't know why that didn't, it's just weird. So let's go ahead and remove this. I don't know why it's not working. I'm getting 5 volts there, but I think if I well, LED amp should be 5 volts. Those LEDs should be 3 point something. So I'm gonna need a 680 ohms resistor to put across it just to get it to lit up. All right, let's see, guys. We'll figure something out. Yeah, yeah. Right. So I think that's bad. I don't know why that you just go bad like that. That doesn't make any sense at all. But let's see, guys. All right, guys. Give me a minute here. Let me find a light emitting diode right here to replace this thing. All right, guys. So let me show you what's going on here, guys. So I remove this one, guys. Look at this. This diode right here, light emitting diode. All right, let's show you what's going on now, guys. So I put one here across this, which then I said it's 5 volts coming across. So I was like, nah, it should be 3 volts. So I did have something to break it down. Then I said the resistor. I said I'm gonna try it whichever way. Maybe it just blow out or so. I could live with that if it just blow out. But let's show you what happened, guys. This damn thing support 5 volts, and I didn't even know that. I'm gonna have to buy a few of them. So look at what happened, guys. When I pour it on, look at that flash because it's once it pour switch on, you see that, guys? It turns on. You understand? So I get an indicator light there now because that one was burnt out. Alright, that's it. It's running really cool. So I was like, wow, that's impressive. So that's it, guys. So this repair is finished. You know, that LED was bad, plus the 20 something there one. Yeah, the 2101, guys. Driver MOSFET was also bad. So yeah, I'm gonna put this back into the chassis and then call the customer to come for it because yeah, this was really this is funny, guys. I'm telling you, man, really, really funny. Oopsie. Right. So yes, guys. Yes, 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 yes. Let me remove this for now. What the heck is going on here? Look at this thing. Why is this thing like that? Come on. Right. So I have these here. And I have, see, this is the power one. Something like that, I think. Um. Yeah, 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 yeah. Alright, guys. So, yeah, guys. This is now completed. Just to make sure everything is up. Yeah, everything looks good here. Right. So get these thing bolted down now. Get all the necessary stuff up here. And as you see, guys, all these screws and stuff. Don't know if I remember where they goes, but it's kind of easy to figure out that. So I'm gonna just count. All right. So here now, I think these go inside here, and this goes there, and that goes there. So yeah, I think this goes here for sure. It goes somewhere here because I know this circuit board have to screw so on top of somewhere here. It's gonna go like this, I think. So or maybe yep. So one. It's gonna be one over here. So this one doesn't go here. This one go right over here. And then this one of this goes here to the guys. Right here. And then you're gonna have one right here. Alright. Yes. So this is gonna be a screw right here. So guys, please stay tuned if you like what you see, guys. Please like, subscribe to my channel, and definitely there's a lot more in store, guys. So I'm gonna put this amplifier together, and then I'm gonna give it my kind of taste with my kind of music, and then guys, give it to the customer. Just let you know, guys, if you have any question, please feel free, guys, to reach out to me. I know, guys, I know a lot of time I don't reach out to a lot of you guys, but soon, guys, and stuff. Please, guys, hit me up on Facebook. If you guys have anything serious on Facebook, yes, guys. Yeah, please. Cartier Cardi amplifier and subwoofer repair, guys. Yeah, that way I could answer a lot of your questions, and stuff like that. So, yeah, that way it's kind of like easier because I don't follow Facebook, guys, so that my wife have the account, so she tell me what's going on, and what whenever you ask a question, I could leave my number and stuff like that, and you guys can reach out to me. That's me, guys. I'm like that, guys. I'm not afraid to give out my number because this is a business to me, guys. I'm helping people, like, guys. I don't have a problem, guys, with helping people. So yeah, putting this together, guys, and give it to the customer. Please like, subscribe if you like what you see, and Cartier and Cardi, guys. Out for now, alright? Enough respect.